Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Expedition Platinum Max. Coming in this nice black coloring. This vehicle's going to be powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. Has four-wheel drive capabilities. We do get rear park sensing. You got a tow hitch receiver under there, backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails as well, with a powered lift gate. Pretty nice. You do get a split gate as well, which I'll just show you. And it does open both of them. Perfect for tailgate parties, or you can sit out here. Totally up to you. We got lights, hooks, and doodads. On the back here, we do get storage there, and you can collapse your last row as well. Pretty nice. They will go down automatically. Plenty of storage, cup holders, all that jazz. Those little buttons right there are just for the headrest, so when they're up, you can collapse them from the front. 120 volt outlet. And I'm just going to slide this back up, so they will go up. You can do the middle row as well, but they only go down, not up. And to close, all you have to do, hit this button right there, and it will go, both of them will go up automatically for you. Continue our look here. We do get chrome accents on this vehicle, gripped running boards with blind spot detection, turn light indicated, side view camera. And moving to the front, we got front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have those nice black leather bucket seats, perforated as well, adjustable. Plenty of door space in the back with the B&O sound system. Carpet interior, a step to get to the back. Hit this button right there, the seat will go forward for easier access to the back passengers. You got floor mats as well. You do get cup holders with rear climate controls, heated middle seats, 120 volt, and the out option to put a tablet. It does lock into place, and you do get 2 USB-Cs on either of the front seats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got power folding mirrors, 4-wheel drive, your split gate, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we do get this lovely big heads-up display. You can play with the widgets over here. Right now we have navigation and audio. Odometer sitting at 368 kilometers. You got digital speedometer, all that fun. Ford's Blue Cruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. You do get little haptic feedback here, so you do get your cruise control, hit for there. And the same goes for here, so your volume, playback, play forward, voice, all that jazz. Engine start stop. You got your Pro Trailer Assist with outlets, cup holders. This does slide up, and we do get your normal storage below, pretty handy, and a nice little secret storage. So you do get your storage below, pretty nice. Gear select, gears, volume, auto stop at the start, park sensing, hazards, hill, and traction. And clicking here, we do get a lovely 360 view of the vehicle, pretty nice. Storage below. And we have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, and looking here we have a nice infotainment system that is going to be powered by Google. Got your climate controls at the bottom with heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, you got the heated seats in the back, navigation, audio, personal profiles, and phone. For your audio you get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We're going to go into our Google Maps here. Pretty easy to use, pretty straightforward. Search recent, food, coffee, all that jazz. I'm going to go back. Personal profiles. Here's your vehicle settings such as auto hold, driver memory, because you do get the memory seating on the driver's side, and the memory mirrors, lights, brightness, rear climate lock, valet mode, and you can fiddle around with the vehicle with the lovely split gate. Your vehicle apps are going to be in here, so any Android Auto apps, Apple CarPlay, Google apps, all found in here, YouTube, and all your widgets will be found in here, and they will just show up on your main screen. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EA38216, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.